this video, I'm going to talk about experiences versus learning. So stay with me and watch this video till the end. Hello there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great and had a wonderful weekend. I really apologize for not being able to upload a video last week due to some technical problems. So I really apologize. You may heard or read, knowledge is powerful. I'm completely disagree. Knowledge without action and experiences without learning are completely unproductive, powerless. Experiences about different aspects of life, like failures in relational or educational life, disappointment, setbacks, failed relationships. These experiences are not dangerous at all. Believe me, I really know these are very hard and painful to bear, but our response and attitude towards them gonna decide how long they're gonna last. There are two parts of experience. First, experience itself, and second, what it teaches. Experience impart knowledge, skills, principles, ideas, and we have to allow ourselves to learn, assimilate, utilize what it taught us. If I am talking about experiences, it includes all kinds of experiences, good and bad. Experiencing something is not a big deal. Learning does. Experiences come to warn, change, and improve us. We should embrace every experience and adopt every change for improvement and for our learning. Experience to learn, learn to improve to change outcomes. When outcomes will change, your life will never be the same. Once Henry Ford quoted that failure is an opportunity to begin more intelligently. Use every disappointment, failure, setback, discouragement as an opportunity to grow. Learn from all kinds of experience. Experiencing something, learning from it, and applying what we have learned are completely different matters. Again, I am repeating. Experiencing something, learning from it, and applying what we have learned are completely different matters. Every experience impacts us differently. Some brings rejection, some acceptance. Some brings failures, disappointments, discouragements, disheartenment. On the other hand, some experiences brings success, new levels, achievements. What is teaching? According to Oxford and Merriam-Webster dictionary, act of imparting ideas, principles, knowledge is teaching. On the other hand, what is learning? It is an activity or process of gaining knowledge or skill by studying, practicing, being taught, or experiencing something. Again, experiencing something. We learn from experiences. Again, I'm mentioning experiencing something is not a big deal. Learning does. There are two parts of experience. One, experience itself, and second, what it teaches us. And it really matters if we pay attention to what any experience taught us. If we take a moment and look around us, everything around us is an experience itself or is an outcome of any experience. There are strategies, ideas, knowledge, and principles hidden in any kind of experience. Take a moment and think about any kind of experience you have experienced in your life and think how much it impact or affect you, what you have learned from it, and what were the causes. What one of my mentor, Dr. Mike Murdoch, once quoted, the proof of learning is change. Once you have learned from any experience, you will never be the same. That change will be the proof. There is a quotation of Oscar Wilde: experience is the hardest kind of teacher. It gives you the test first and the lesson afterward. The day you start learning from all kinds of experiences will be the day you will start giving favor to yourself. While we are experiencing something negative, there is suffering, hurt, and pain. So don't waste experiences, hurt, and suffering. Use experiences to make yourself mature and wise. Experiences brings maturity, wisdom, knowledge, new strategies, understanding, new ideas. Don't let experiences to keep you in the midst of hurt and pain, obstacles and setbacks, but let them take you to the next level. For me, the purpose of experiences, disappointments, failures is not to destroy us, but to build us. Mahatma Gandhi once said, knowledge gained through experience is far more superior and many times more useful than bookish knowledge. And I think people like to learn from experiences, especially young people, because there is no degree or graduation of learning from experiences. I hope this video helped you to truly understand the meaning of experiencing something and learning from it. If this video helped you, please share it with your friends and like this video. Comment below how this video helped you. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon for getting notifications of my coming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. See you next week with new topic, with new video. God bless you. Have a productive and great week ahead.